Okay, so let's start with the Genius Shield proposals. So Genius Shield is um, a DEX on Cardano. We focus on the order book architecture of a DEX, and that means we use the concept of limit orders to really be the foundation of the DEX, which fits really well with the UTXO architecture and allows you to um, implement a lot of the advanced option order types and trading strategies that you find in traditional finance that are not possible on AMMs, but are quite possible using the order book architecture. So Genius Shield has three main proposals. The first one, which I think maybe is the one that's gotten the most attention so far, is the options trading proposal. So this is where Genius Shield has designed an option smart contract that allows you to trade options on our DEX. And so options are a type of derivative instruments that allow you to provide leverage to your traders, but also in a way hedge against risk. It's built on top of the limit order primitive, but it allows you to, for example, lock in a price to buy or sell a token at a specific time in the future. And so it's extremely common in traditional finance, and it's an essential part of how people trade in markets. And so we find architecture that makes it easy for us to mint those options, but also to trade them on our DEX as if they were just regular tokens. So we really think that opens up a lot of possibilities.